big energy.
This one holds a special place in my heart.
Powers the way the city of Madison moves toward its future, thanks to former solar installer trainee Hattie Russell.
I mean, we did all of this side of the roof and all up there and on the other side.
This solar project on the roof of the City of Madison Engineering Division Operations Facility is just one of many projects Russell helped complete during her time as a GreenPower trainee.
I mean, you're working hard every day. You're just creating something that not a lot of other people can do.
GreenPower is a City of Madison program where eager workers learn to install solar, even if they have little to no electrical skills or experience, which was the case for Russell.
I guess when you talk about electricity, it's kind of a scary thing when you don't know anything about it, but once I started the program, it was like, oh, this is fun. Like, it was like the first thing I found that actually made me enjoy doing what I was doing.
The number one thing they learn is basically how to safely work with electricity.
City of Madison Master Electrician Matt Parks leads the GreenPower program.
And work on roofs, and they learn how the electricity is collected from the sun, manual dexterity, how to use hand tools, how to lay out a job, how to finish a job.
GreenPower started as a pilot in 2016. Since, it's grown every year, creating more solar jobs and securing more work for trainees at the City of Madison and in the solar industry.
Certainly, fossil fuels are the way we produce our electricity now. It's going to become less and less as those resources become more scarce. And of course, we always have sunshine, so it's a natural fit to training in solar.
The GreenPower program starts with an application process. Then, once hired, trainees take part in a year-long program.
You can grow a little bit with it and become a better consumer, or you could actually end up going into an apprenticeship and becoming a solar installer. So, sky's the limit when it comes to that kind of thing.
Russell now understands every part of the process of solar installation, all skills she uses now as a permanent city employee.
I think it's amazing to think, man, there was nothing here, and then we did the inside the building. We ran the conduit, we put the wires in, and even went to the panel, went all the way up to the roof. We put it all on the roof, connected everything with, and it was just a couple of us doing it with our bare hands. And now that you can go downstairs and look at the inverter and see how much electricity you're making, it's like, wow, I made that electricity. I gave that to this building, like I did.
A spark of interest in something so simple, the sun, now energizing trainees to learn another simple notion that you can't put a price on.
And I think that in the long term, I feel like I've bettered myself since being in the program, not just for, oh, I can do electrical now, but just working with other people and bouncing off ideas from them and hearing their opinions.
GreenPower projects close to the heart and the sun.
And you really grow close together doing these projects, and you always remember that, oh yeah, we did that together, so you got a special little bond there. And I think that I've just overall come out better since being in the program.
Apply to be a part of GreenPower today.